Hey, welcome to today's show on high level mentality theories. Just to show you that Nicki Minaj is demon possessed by this gay, evil, demonic spirit by the name of Roman. Just check out my video. Thanks for the support. I really appreciate it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And check out my new videos. Click the notification bell to get the latest of my videos. Thank you.
Is a crazy boy who lives in me, and he says the things that I don't want to say. He was born, just a few months ago. I think he was born out of rage. He was conceived in rage, so he bashes everyone. He threatens to beat people, and he's violent.
That must be nice to have like an ignorant loudmouth who you can just sort of blame every...
He wants to be blamed. I don't want to blame him. I ask him to leave, but he can't. He's here for a reason. People have brought him out. People conjured him up. Now he won't leave.
Now, in your music, you have alter egos.
Yeah.
Who's all in there?
Well, we have Nicki, we have Roman, we have...
Explain Roman for the people that don't know Roman.
Roman is he's a gay boy. He lives... Oh, okay.
I think that's Roman right there.
Right, I think I'm Roman there. No, wait. Well, he's my alter ego. He says what I can't say. He's mean, he's angry, and he's vicious.
Yeah, cool.
And then I have Martha. Martha is Roman's mother. Martha is like, Roman, stop it, you've gone mad, I tell you, mad. And then, your producers did speak to me, and I invented a new character for George.
And she is? Nicki, who is that?
Her name is Rosa.
Rosa!
But you have to say it you have to really roll it long. Pause. You have to say
Rosa!
Roman is a crazy boy who lives in me, and he says the things that I don't want to say.
Can you please bless us with a verse?
Enter Roman.
Waiting.
Dun, 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 dun.
What up?
What up, Roman?
What up? What up?
What is the situation with Roman's revenge? Why your man Weezy's on point too? It's mad out there.
Yo, Roman's revenge is just about taking control. Saying Roman is here to stay. And anybody that ever doubted Roman is going down in a coffin.
Great boxed up, kids.
Roman's revenge is just about taking control. Saying Roman is here to stay. And anybody that ever doubted Roman is going down in a coffin.
Great boxed up, kids.
Was rounded up at Rex 84 FEMA camps constructed throughout the USA. 6. The possibility of retaliation against members of Congress for the collapses. 7. The location of